Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to remove widgets from Windows 11. So let's get started. So firstly, you will see there is an icon. When you hold on with your mouse key there, the widgets screen will come. From there, you can see all the widgets like news, market, PC manager, cricket related, weather related, photos, games, all. Now, if you want to remove this, just simply right click on taskbar. From there, you will see taskbar settings. Click on it. Now, you will in the setting panel. Here, you will see in taskbar items, visits. Can turn it off. Now, you will see the icon will be removed successfully. If you want to back it again, you can just simply click again this. So with the help of this, you can also click on taskbar behaviors. From there you can see like automatically hide the taskbar. It will enter you in the full screen mode and it looks like great. That's it. This is how you can remove widget from the home screen on taskbar in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.